Hello everybody, this is Timothy Reyes. I am doing my reflection video for the Project 2 for MIU 1303. And this week went by really fast and it was really difficult, but let me go ahead and dig in and I'll show you what I did. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to talk about are the easiest things that I've encountered during this week. The first is the jQuery website right here. The website itself is pretty straightforward. I really like it that it gives you real world examples that you could just search for the element and see exactly how they used it. I also thought implementing pages, jQuery pages within your HTML was pretty easy. They make it really straightforward to add multiple pages, and it makes sense too that you would want mobile users to download your entire website just in case they get disconnected from online. I went ahead and added a little clip of the jQuery page. So if I want to create a new jQuery page, I could just drag and drop this in, and then boom, you have your header, footer, and content right there. Now, the very most difficult thing that I had this week was learning what I've studied and applying it. Now, when you build the app, and I guess this will work the same when you graduate and when you're coding in the real world, you're always learning new stuff. You're always learning new things on how to do stuff. And it's really hard looking at code, knowing that it could be better, but you'll know that it'll take a lot of time making it better. And it's hard justifying exactly what you need to do to complete the assignment rather than just some personal stuff that you want to implement that might make it easier. Now, I used a lot of knowledge from previous courses for this week, one being visual frameworks, of course, and I did use Photoshop and Illustrator, so I'll say MMD 1 and 2 as well. Now, the majority of my research came from the jQuery mobile website, like you could see. And if I couldn't really find the answer within the demo or introduction, I always found if you just go to Google and type in what you're looking for, space jQuery mobile, that it pretty much directs you to the jQuery mobile website with exactly what you're trying to find. Another aha moment I had was implementing HTML tags and applying attributes to them through JavaScript. I had done this in the previous weeks, but I really feel like I did completely grasp the concept now, and I can slowly generate what I need to. Of course, it takes a lot of time debugging, and a lot of times it doesn't work on the first try, but you just gotta hang in there and get it done. And finally, I want to go over justification. So let me go ahead and bring up my two apps. I have this is my bronze app, and the other is my gold. Now, I chose this layout, the inline view, for my gold, because I think that's what the majority of users nowadays are used to with smartphones. If you open up the app, then you swipe down or you swipe up, I guess, to get the list below. And if you click on it, then an inline list view appears where you could just open up and see the information within and close it. And everything is already downloaded. Everything's just right there in front of you. And it just makes it a lot easier. Whereas with the bronze, you have this grid layout that if you have a small smartphone, it might not look as nice as if you had a large, like Note 2 or something. And if you were to click on this, then this is pretty nice as well, but this would direct you to another page. Whereas with this, it just pretty much expands. I really like this layout. That pretty much wraps up this week's reflection video. So thanks for listening, and I hope you guys have a great day.